Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about scanning the different barcodes and QR codes in form and populating them to text box. This is the interface of the project. We have labels, a text box, combo box, a button, and a picture box. First, we will need to install a package of zcrossing.net or forge.net. To install it, right-click on the project and find Manage New JIT Packages. Mind that we need internet for us so that we can install the package. Zeek.net is a library that allows you to decode and generate barcodes within images, such as QR codes, PDF 417, UPC, Aztec, Data Matrix, and CodeBar. And a Forge.video. The Forge.video library provides interfaces and classes for interacting with various video sources, such as IP video cameras. Now let's code. Understand the function of the code, and later I will explain all the codes. We initialize filter info collection as filter info collection. This code is the collection of the devices. Video capture device is a video capture device. This code is to specify the devices in a computer. Then we declared filter info collection is equals to new filter info collection with the value of filter category of video input device. This code is to add a filter category that is video input devices to filter info collection. Then we initialize for each loop, for each filter info device in filter info collection. Then we will add the device name and CB device items. Then we set the CB selected index as equals to 0. We have created an event for BTN scan click inside. We initialize video capture devices equals to new video capture devices that is the value of the selected index of CB devices that will pass to moniker string. This code is when we have a video device. We need to connect it to the camera. You have to create a video capture device object by passing a moniker string. This will pass to the picture box. Then we initialize the video capture device to have a new frame as video capture device form. This code is to create a new frame for a newly selected video capture device. Then we will start the video capturing. Now we have created an event for video capturing device form arguments for new frame event from video capture sources. We initialize bitmap as bitmap equals new event argument frame closes a bitmap. This code is to make the event frame argument read a bitmap. Then we initialize barcode reader as barcode. We initialized var result is equals to barcode decoded by bitmap. We initialize if condition, check if result not equals to null. Then we invoke prodcode to new method invoker delegate. As prodcode text is equals to result that is converted to string. Then picture box image is equals to bitmap. Then we have created form1 form close event. Inside, we initialized nested if condition, check if the video capture device is equals null. Then if video capture is running, the video capture device stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.